Nova Gorica, a small city in a small country where everyone is well connected because they all live next door.
Primorski Technology Park is helping me being truly lean and developing something that people are willing to pay for. But the key of my startup is that I really love what I do.
The startup ecosystem of Nova Gorica is a rapidly growing network of a technology park, a co-working center, universities, R&D centers, mentors, talents, and excellent entrepreneurs. The Startup Hub offers many programs and events: startup weekends, business meetups, mentorship programs and investment opportunities.
I really like the startup community in Nova Gorica because it's still small and nicely growing, and it's like a cozy family currently, and there are a lot of young talents. Some of them already joined our startup.
Flying out for your holiday? No need for that here. Just step out of your office and you're already there. So, if you're looking for an exciting environment, low administrative burdens, good work-life balance, and creative people with bold ideas, this is it. If you want to make a difference, you need to think different. We are all for change. Are you in?